Today I'm making a very delicious gobi recipe, Dhaba style Aloo Gobi Masala. So please try this recipe and you can recreate a Dhaba style Aloo Gobi right in your home kitchen. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First we are going to roast the gobi. For that, here I have 2 tablespoons of ghee and 800 grams of gobi that I have chopped into medium-sized florets like this, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I'm adding the ghee. Wait for the ghee to be heated up before adding the gobi. The ghee is now hot, so we will add the gobi and also add the powdered spices, the turmeric powder and the chili powder. And now we will mix the spices well with the gobi and roast the gobi for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. Now we will go ahead and set the roasted gobi aside. Now we will start making our gravy. For that, first we'll fry the potatoes with onions and ginger garlic. For that, here I have 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 Kashmiri red chilies, a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Here I have coarsely crushed ginger garlic. I've crushed this using a mortar and pestle, 1 inch of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 2 medium-sized onions, 300 grams finely chopped, and 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes, comes to about 450 grams. This I have chopped into medium-sized cubes. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. The oil is now hot, so we will add our whole spices, the cumin seeds, the Kashmiri red chilies and the asafoetida or hing, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till the cumin seeds start spluttering. The cumin seeds are now spluttering. Now I will add the crushed ginger garlic and we will fry this at a low flame for another 1 minute. Now I will add the finely chopped onions and we will fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes at a medium flame. It's been another 3 minutes. Now we will add the chopped potatoes and we will fry the potatoes with the onions till the onions caramelize and turn light brown. Next we will make our masala. For that, here I have 2 medium tomatoes finely chopped, comes to about 240 grams, all our dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, you can also use regular red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, some salt as per taste, and a cup of coriander leaves. The onions have now caramelized. Now we will add the finely chopped tomatoes. Also add the dry powdered spices, the turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, and mix all of this well together, and we will saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and you can see the potatoes are now nicely coated with the masala. Now we will add some salt as per taste and also add the coriander leaves and we can leave some at the end for garnishing. And now we will mix again and then we will cook this till the tomatoes become completely soft and we can see the oil separating out. This will take another 3 to 4 minutes. It's been another 4 minutes and the tomatoes are now completely soft and you can see the oil is separating out. Now we will add the roasted gobi. So add all of that and then mix everything well together and saute this for another 1 to 2 minutes. We have mixed everything well together. Now we will add 1 cup of water. You can add more if you want to have more gravy. Now we will cover this with a lid and let this cook till the gobi and the potatoes are completely done. Our potatoes and cauliflower are now completely cooked and our dhaba style aloo gobi masala is ready. It's a really delicious gobi recipe, so please do try to make it this way and I hope you like it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.